friends at church give us really big, hard cast iron pan and Chinese seasoning it.
Yeah, Mom taught us, and then our church friends talk about that too. Use the pig's fat lot and this Chinese vegetable gao choy, and that because when it cooked, it release some kind of juice mixed with the lard, will keep the the iron. I mean, cast iron is very good and whatever. So I'm right now using it top now. And then later we'll use the bottom, but I will use some kind of American way, put it in the oven, low temperature for a few hours. Yeah, to see how it goes.
Do you oil the inside and out?
Inside too, yeah.
Yep.
And because it's the first, I clean it.
Yeah, no, that thing is spotless.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
I need to be here.
yeah, but I mean, it hardly
But
had
we
been
need
used.
This size, we don't have this size of a pan.
Yeah.
I mean, cast iron. We need this for our steak and pork chop.
Yeah. Very good.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss Shiny.
Bye bye.